Okay, so this section is called mean absolute deviation, and it's a little bit complicated and long, but what we do is we take our data and we make sure it's in order from least to greatest, and then we're going to find the mean. So we added all the numbers across the top. There were 8 total numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That goes on the bottom. The sum of these numbers was 24 divided by 8, and that gave us a 3. So the mean is 3. So now what we have to do is we have to plot all of the data. So we had a 1, we had 1, 2, 3 2s, we had 1, 2, 3 4s, and we had a 5. So now what we have to do is we have to look at the mean, which was 3, and we have to count how many spots over. So from 1 it was 1, 2. That's where that 2 comes from. From the 2 it's 1 spot, so 1, 1, 1. From the 4 going back to the mean it's 1 spot back, so 1, 1, 1. And at the 5 it's 2 spots, 1, 2. So that's 1, 2. That's where you get the 2. All right. So now we take these numbers here, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, like that, 2 plus 10. I'm sorry, equals 10. So the sum of those numbers was 10. Then we take the 10 and we divide that by 8 because there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. When we added them, it was 10, so 10 divided by 8, and that equals 1.25. So the data values differ from the mean by an average of 1.25 raisins. And that's how you find the mean absolute deviation.